Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in some areas of your home, this video will help you fix that problem. In this tutorial, I explain how to quickly set up the TECHNOMEN 300M WiFi repeater using the WPS button and extend your wireless network in just a few simple steps. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to extend their Wi-Fi network without complicated configuration. By following this simple setup process, you can quickly boost your Wi-Fi signal and remove dead zones in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, take your TECHNOMEN 300M WiFi repeater out of the box. Plug the repeater into a wall power outlet near your main router. Wait 20 to 30 seconds for the device to fully power on. The power LED light should turn solid. Placing it close to the router during setup ensures a strong connection.
Now look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The button may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a two circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. After pressing it, the WPS light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to connect new devices.
Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the TECHNOMEN repeater. The WPS indicator light on the repeater will begin flashing. The repeater will now automatically detect your router, copy the Wi-Fi name, SSID, or copy the Wi-Fi password. This process usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. Once the setup is successful, the WPS or signal LED will turn solid. The repeater is now connected to your router. The extended network may appear as your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name RE. Some models keep the same Wi-Fi name. Once the setup is complete, the repeater will create an extended Wi-Fi network. Usually the network name will be similar to your main Wi-Fi network, such as home Wi-Fi _ext or home Wi-Fi _re. Some repeaters may also use the same network name as your router. After successful setup, unplug the repeater. Move it to a location between the router and the area where Wi-Fi signal is weak. Your Elecom WTCW601W Wi-Fi repeater is now ready to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.